between what? The D is 2 and the E is 2. Okay, so how can you fix the double click? So head on to the control panel. Then go to the category, small icons. Head to the keyboard, and then we're gonna reduce this repeat delay to 3 out of 4. Yep, then apply. Okay. Now it will not repeat as fast if you like press it a little longer, so but if you still have the double click, it's probably your keyboard that is acting up. You probably need like to disassemble it and do something about the insides, or just replace the entire keyboard. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.